Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies.
Hello my YouTube family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to be doing a lot, so kindly stick around till the end and remember to give this video a like. As you can see right now, I'm just cleaning some items. These are work tools for my husband. He's a mixologist, so I had to wash them for him because he was leaving for work.
Make it last forever. Stop in time. Yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide.
Later that same day, I took my daughter to the salon and her hair was made and she was so happy, like she's feeling so girly. Yeah, she enjoys this hairstyle.
Dripping lights paint the skies. Only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
So we had bought a carton of milk during the day and my daughter was the one who was arranging them in the fridge, and as you can see, some fell. Yeah, I like giving her work to help me out in the house because I want her to learn something. I went ahead and put on a jacket because it was getting a bit cold, and I continued with my cleaning as I refilled my sugar dish and also my cooking oil because right now it's almost end month and we have to prepare for a monthly shopping.
Wrong to say I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause in the story
The next day was a laundry day and I had a lot of clothes to clean, and I wanted to show you how I clean my clothes using the machine. As you can see, that trouser that I'm holding right now for my daughter, it's so dirty. So I'm going to show you how clean it will be once I've finished cleaning. And there was someone who was asking me how my machine works, and that's why I've thought of sharing it right now. So yeah.
Ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown, but we both know how to swim, no worries, let's float for now. Let's take it slow, where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow, who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it.
So anytime I do laundry, I like starting with my baby girl's clothes. Those are the ones I start with, the bright ones. Yeah.
I drag you out your mind, and there are days.
Once I've put the clothes in the machine and the detergent, I go ahead and give it 15 minutes to wash. You can put any minutes according to how the clothes are dirty.
There's nobody I'd rather choose. Let's take it slow, where you go, I go too.
After 15 minutes, I'm back, and as you can see, the trouser that I showed you is now clean. But if it's not clean according to my preference, I'll put it back and wash it again for maybe like 5 minutes or so. After washing is over, I'll go ahead and put the clothes in the dryer just to squeeze out that dirty water. Then I'll put them back in the washer again, yeah, as you'll see in the video.
Take it slow, where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow, who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home.
I'm done. Just going to hang them. I have others here which are drying. Rinsing.
I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver, no more high.
So yeah, that is how the machine works, and for me it works perfectly. I can't complain. The only issue with me is that I have to put water using a bucket. If I had a pipe, the better. I will not be using the buckets. But yeah, it's a good machine, and it's a bit affordable. But if I get money, I'll definitely upgrade to the automatic one.
Get me out of now, to where we started out. La 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 la, oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time.
So guys, the machine come with this pipe where you can put water like that. You fix it like that. Then here, yeah, then on this other side you can connect it to your tap, but as you can see mine is big, that's why I'm not using this pipe. We have to buy a new pipe, a big one, but it has never been on the shopping list. I always forget. So right now I'm using the buckets to put the water in here, but I'm definitely going to buy we are going to buy a bigger pipe because taps zetu zote ni kubwa, as you can see. After finishing with my laundry, I always make sure I wipe my machine just to make sure it doesn't have any bad smell. I wipe it off, all the water, I dry it off, and I leave it open for a while just to make sure it's completely dry. Then yeah, I'm done.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, dripping light.
Back to the bathroom again. I went ahead and cleaned the dirty shoes, and as usual, this is my worst house chore. I hate cleaning shoes. I just wish like they had a machine where you can just throw in all the shoes and yeah, you just remove them when they are clean.
Make it last forever. Stop in time. Yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the
So I learned this trick that once you wash white shoes, you go ahead and cover them with maybe tissue or even wipes, and then once they dry off, they won't have those brown lines. If you have watched my video till this point, thank you so much. Kindly don't forget to leave a like, and you can also comment if you want to. So on the next day, I just cleaned the floors because they were a bit dirty, and that's all I did on that day.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well, and I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters.
Finished off my day by watching a series I was watching on Netflix. It's called Maid. It's really interesting. And yeah, guys, we are coming to the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed the video. Kindly leave a comment and also like the video. Till my next one, guys. Bye.